Here I am standing at 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 a.m. in front of my room in this beautiful resort called the Aguila de Osa. And if you see in the distance, you can see the Pacific Ocean. It's dark. Sunrise hasn't come as yet. We are here in the Osa Peninsula, the southernmost portion of Costa Rica, Central America. You can also hear the sound of the birds of Costa Rica, the sounds of the birds of Costa Rica, 5 a.m. in the morning. I'll be leaving tomorrow. Today is the 16th of May 2015. I hope you can hear the sounds of the birds of Costa Rica. There can be many more sounds, especially the toucans that we call toucans, T-O-U-C-A-N-S, toucans, or T-O-U-K-A-N-S, I think. They are absolutely amazing birds. I saw them. It's difficult to see them. The macaws, scarlet macaws, are in abundance. They're like crows in Pakistan. So I end this morning sound recording of the birds of Costa Rica, Osa Peninsula, the South Pacific Ocean.